Hello there, it's me, Jay Cook, and today I'm gonna show you what I got in the mail today. First, I got a Rugrats Chanukah. It had the front, spine, and the back. This VHS came in 1997, and it was brand new. And at last, we Mickey's Twice Upon the Christmas. On the DVD, it says, find out who's been naughty and who's been nice. They had the front, spine, and the back. And here's a DVD disc. Now I'm gonna unboxing the features with the scissors. So hold on, so just get it all out of here. Oh, man, it's hard to get them out of here. There we go. Well, I can get a tape out, so yeah. And there you have it, folks. This was one VHS and one DVD what I got in the mail today. So that's all for now. This is me signing off.